Good morning.
As you can tell, I have been watching way too many TikToks. Anyway, so today I thought it would be kind of fun if I showed you my everyday makeup routine because I have super dry skin. I don't know how to make this lighting better. Okay, so the first thing I do is I tone my face because although I have super dry skin, it's also super oily, so I love that for me. I just use this Proactive toner. Also, I'm sorry I sound like an actual man right now because I woke up like 5 minutes ago. Oh, I'm totally using toilet paper because I'm too lazy to go to the store and buy cotton pads. Next, I'm just gonna use this Aveeno moisturizer. Next, I use my Professional primer and just put that in my pores. This stuff works so well, oh my god. Like, it's worth the money. Okay, so that's the whole base. Now we're gonna get started on the actual face.
Good morning.
I mix my moisturizer and my foundation together. So I just try to make my own little BB cream. So I'm gonna take a pump of this and then like 2 pumps of this Revlon Color Stay. And then yeah, here we have like a little BB cream now. Okay, I just moved the camera because I think this lighting is a little bit better, so. My favorite part is just dragging it underneath my eyebrows because I have super veiny eyelids, and I'm gonna put this on my neck. So next is concealer, but before I do concealer, I do something super weird. I take this Kat Von D, what is it even? It's a color correcting eyeshadow primer, and I put this knot on my eyelids. I put this underneath my eyes because I have like super wrinkly under eyes, and this really helps like the concealer not to crease. Next, I'm gonna use this L'Oreal Paris Infallible Concealer. This is a great concealer from the drugstore, and it has like a huge applicator like those Tarte ones. So, because I used to use the Tarte one, but I didn't want to spend that much money every single time. Oh my god, my eyes so itchy. Oh. Whew. Now I just take my little concealer brush and put this on there. And I'm just gonna go over any pimples I have because I'm still a teenage girl. Now all of my foundation and concealer is done, and I quite literally look like an egg. Very lightly dust powder all over my face. Okay, face is done. Next we're gonna move on to some bronzer. So I'm gonna start off with the Hoola bronzer, and I'm gonna use the Rare Techniques 200 brush. Look at me. And I use this like mostly as contour, but I don't do like that super precise contour thing. I just kind of throw it on. Then on the forehead. And like maybe a bit on the side of my nose. I don't know. I just want to look not like me. Okay, then after I do that, I take this MAC bronzing powder with the Real Techniques 400, and I just kind of very messily put it around what I just did. This one's nice because it's like kind of sparkly and it'll make you look nice and bronze. Okay, now my favorite part is blush, and I actually never used to wear it before I made this video, and then now I just wear it all the time because it's really adorable. So I'm using this Mana Kadar Beauty. And my favorite part, put just a little bit on the nose. Okay, I did my makeup in a very weird order, check. So next I'm just gonna use this NYC Clear Brow Gel because I actually just dyed my eyebrows with some Just For Men. So I just use this, and this is actually hair gel that I just put in here because this thing is so old. Yeah, I just like, you know, make them look like eyebrows. And I don't know why, but my favorite thing is just like super natural looking eyebrows. The next most important part for me is to brush out my eyelash extensions because or else they look like spiders on my eyeballs. Also, I might just film a bunch of YouTube videos today because my car battery died and I can't leave the house. So, you know, I gotta have some fun. These look a lot better. Actually, I vlogged a day in my life when I got them done because I actually haven't had eyelash extensions for like almost 2 months, so I'm just treating myself for the holidays. But yeah, if you would ever want to see a vlog of my life, then let me know. I literally can't breathe right now and I don't know why. Okay, now it is time for highlighter. This is the Luminizer Squad by The Bomb. This is my favorite highlighter set ever. So I typically mix some Mary Luminizer and a teeny bit of Penny Lou and put that on my face. I really try not to go overboard because when I was younger, I definitely did dot it and then I just kind of blend it out with my finger. Then I'm gonna take this little brush and put it underneath my eyebrows. Seriously though, when you start putting highlight underneath your eyebrows, I don't know, it just makes such a big difference. And now I'm gonna take just a random wet thing and take all the foundation off of my lips. For my lips, I'm gonna put this Too Faced Lip Injection Extreme on my lips. Alright, then to end off my look, I use the Urban Decay De-Slick Setting Spray. And this is for oil control because, like I said, I have very oily skin, but I also have very dry skin. I only do 2 sprays because I can't be, you know, doing the 17 because this stuff is not cheap. And this is my finished makeup look. It's not like in your face. It looks very natural. It doesn't take me long, even though this video might be long. I don't know. I moved to a different location in case you could see it better. The lighting in here is beautiful. This is the completed makeup look. It's very natural. Doesn't take long. And my skin is not going to be super dry. So yeah, so if you have super dry skin, just, I feel you, man. I'm sorry. Me too, bro. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And all my socials are linked down below. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.